Like, you don't know for you to say this is success.
Yeah, right. It's like, yeah, actually, you know, everything you want to be success about it. Yeah, but you say it's money.
It's like, living a life, getting money, having a nice house.
Yeah, but I'm thinking if I can have money, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, but if I can have money, I can.
Yeah.
So I can make young people, to get some maybe motivation. Just give them sponsor and
empowering.
Yeah, bro. Just because it's like ivalelwe apha yabo andiboni enye indawo engaphandle yabona. So ubumnandi ngathi buphelele apha yabona la way. So lo isikubone engathi akho movement. The main point for Londo bana singama outers sibancinci kanje ngendlela encinga ngayo. It's like bendithe bra ubojonga imodel yakho ne as you go through yabo umamela umculo maybe as mamela wa Chris Brown ne. I picture myself like him, like fuck yabo. Chris is doing this yabo. Chris
still do it.
Yeah, but I would do that thing.
You can even do it better.
Yeah. That's it. So what I'm trying to say, Brian, is like we as young people, we got power.
And that's a fact.
We got power.
Yeah.
And we got a lot of knowledge.
Yeah.
To make
whatever that is.
Whatever we want to do to achieve, Brian. So as I am here right now, Brian, I like it just because everyone I want to hear, want to he feel like he's on his own.
Yeah, you're not alone.
Yeah, you're not alone. A lot of people there like you doing the same thing, hustling, and the main point is to hustle and do whatever you can do.
And you need to meet other hustlers for you to be motivated. I was hustling.
Yeah, bro.
You can't be a rapper doing the same thing.
Yeah,
because must have demotivated, right?
Yeah, bro.
Like if someone is watching the video, they could be elated if I'm watching the video and be like, yo, X is this guitar, yo.
Yeah.
And just as a rapper, I know rappers like, bro.
Yeah, but
are you the type of rapper who loves girls?
I do love girls.
Like now, if you just go on cam, like how many girls do you have as a rapper?
Oh fuck! No,
just give a number.
Okay, maybe it's like okay, I was just like. Oh fuck, I'm gonna start. Okay, let me tell you.
Maybe like 3.
Okay, it's like more than 3.
More than 3.
Yeah, I'll do that. Just because, okay, one thing that I don't understand about love, it's like we date today, and then I have this speech like, okay, sure, this girl loves me. Then young one, okay, sure, we're having this fun, lately, I don't know about it girls.
Was a change doing?
Yeah, yabona. But like bakwindawo yabo bodwa yabona abacinga ngayo bra yabo. Ingathi bakwindawo yabo abacinga ngayo indlela zabo zi difference yabona. So I can't handle that difference yabona.
Let's say now you got a girl. The challenge ngawo.
Yeah.
She wants to be there. She wants to be a star. She wants to be a hustler. What is that advice you would give to her? Like, but this girl needs to hear this.
Okay. First of all, I can tell her that okay, you want to do this. You surely want to do this. Okay, and be like, okay, I want to do this. Okay, first thing you must know is hard to be a dancer. And you must not regret yourself. You must do and you must try to fit whatever.
That is there.
Coming through.
Just overcome the circumstances and overcome the hardships and do what you wishing to become.
Yeah, and then dance is like love, yabo. Yabo. You dance, then you can dance and make love, yabo, like that, yabo, at the same time, yabo. Dance is intense price like yabantu, yabo na. Abakwaziyo ukuthetha nabanye abantu uyabona and umuntu ozokwazi uphilisa onye umuntu uyabona. I can't dance like way Never, I'm dancing like, no.
You're
I'm gonna
dancing
give a
to the
smile
side.
to this
Yeah,
person.
that's
Never.
so.
Like I'm doing this, you see me? I'm doing this shit, I'm doing this shit. So it's like that, bro.
Yeah.
So, first of all, he must know, she must know that dance is about what the dance is about.
Yeah. Keeping people happy, excited, and having fun.
Yeah, then focus to your training. It's like, if you can believe me, bro, I practice 2 times a day.
Yeah.
When I come back to school, I'm
Yeah.
doing that. It's like I have my timetable at home. Like, okay, maybe so practice I met, then okay, around 4 or 5, I give a break. Like fuck, niggas not in there. I'm doing pop lock,
Yeah.
like I can wave and do all those stuff,
Yeah.
like I'm doing that. Then it's around maybe 5 or to 6. Yeah, I'm doing b-boy,
Yeah.
b-boy is too hard, bro,
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I have even broke my fingers, you can look at this,
Right.
this one, Then b-boy is like you must have time for it, bro, full time for it, and uzinikele kuyo, like okay ngizokwenza le way, and kufuneka ngiyenzile le way maybe ngingatya ngayo, and b-boy inqabile just because eMzansi asinayo ixesha elininzi, yeah. If you can take a look, maybe mhlambi eBrazil, they have b-boys, ne? Then take a look eMzansi akekho la way umntu nje,
So you can easily become the number 1.
Yeah, bro, just because I can sing, I can rap, I can dance. So take a look, ngabaphi mhlambi maybe abantu apha eMzantsi Afrika abaninzi, yeah, and zingabile i-dancers ezinokwazi ucula, so
So I was in the market, because most dancers in the big markets, they dancing for themselves.
Yeah.
And they sing for themselves.
Yeah, bro.
I can see the hashtag on your shirt.
Yeah, bro.
And that one time you're gonna sit at home and because of
bro.
the hashtag or X.
Hey, bro.
Because of what you said.